Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to check baggage allowance on Skyscanner. All right. If you're planning to book a flight right here, for example, okay, just click on search. Now find the flight right here or specific flight and the airline that you would wish to fly with. For example, AirAsia right here. I'm going to click on it. Now go ahead and select a booking partner such as trip.com, for example. All right. As you can see here in this pop-up, you'll be able to see the baggage right here. And for you to be able to see the baggage allowance, just click on the class, right? For example, more prices right here. We have one that is checked baggage right here, carry-on baggage, okay? As you can see, for checked baggage, we have 25 kilograms. More on that, just click on the fare and hit on continue. Scroll all the way down until you find this one. As you can see, we have one piece, 7 kilograms total, including personal items. And here we have the checked baggage, which is for 25 kilograms. Okay. Also, we have that option here under AirAsia, just for example, just for you to see that you'll be able to find your baggage allowance when you check it out with the airlines right here. As you can see, for AirAsia, 7 kilograms as well, and 20 for the checked baggage. Okay. Now, if you already have booked the flight, just go ahead over to the profile right here, your profile at the top right, click on it. Now go ahead and click on your bookings. Now click on the booking and you'll be able to see your checked baggage allowance in there. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.